Lord Krishna.
Radha, how will crying help? It won't right get out from there.
I'm in a lot of pain.
You keep meeting with accidents. Why does all this happen only to you? I had asked you not to go to the temple. And if you had to go, why did you take this route? It's good that you got beaten up. I feel like calling that woman again. Ma'am!
Hey, Mohan! What are you doing? What are you saying?
It will be fun to see you get beaten up, right?
Mohan, you are saying such things. Keep that away from me.
Hey, we will take you in the car. That's why I'm cleaning your dirty face and body so that my shining car doesn't get soiled. Do one thing, come here.
हवाओं में, फिजाओं में, तेरे होने का एहसास क्यों है, क्यों है? ख्यालों में, ख्वाबों में, तुमसे मिलने की तलब क्यों है, क्यों है? मेरी मंजिलें, हर रास्ते, मेरे जीने की वजह तू है, तू है, तू है, तू है।
What? Do you want to get inside it again? Hey, you are lucky. People are bathed in milk. In your case, it was mud. Come. Hey, come out.
Are both of you fine?
Why are you again laughing like a monkey? What's funny about it?
You were making fun of me standing there, right? Lord Krishna has punished you.
Lord Krishna hasn't punished me. It was who you dragged me into the mud.
The second part of the plan is complete now.
Ketki, you haven't eaten anything, right? Look at yourself. You have become so weak. Look what I have brought. Oats and salads for you. It's a very low-calorie diet. Don't worry. If I don't bring for you, who else will bring for you? Have it. Do you want me to feed you?
What are you doing?
You are going to break my head. I am saving myself.
Why would I break your head? I feel like breaking my head for marrying you. It was a good opportunity to throw Damini out of the house, but...
But what? But... I mean to say, Ketki, but what? I mean, Damini was not at all at fault. You were blaming her for no reason. She is so innocent and naive.
Damini can be anything, but she is not naive at all. She's surely planning something, and her target must be Radha.
Oh Lord Krishna, why do they throw newspaper every day? This is a disgrace to Goddess Saraswati. These people are impossible. My photo in the newspaper? Aunt Kadambari, Damini sister, Grandma, Mohan, please come out quickly.
What's the matter, Radha? What happened?
Aunt, something amazing has happened. Mohan and my photo has been published. Yes, Mohan helped me yesterday. Maybe that's why they have published that news. What happened, Mother? Gungun, you know, never before has my photo been published in the newspaper. I didn't do anything to warrant that. But Mohan did something. And look at this. My photo also got published in the newspaper because of him. Now the whole Vrindavan will know me. Give it to me. Look at this. How is it?
Good morning, Mom.
What happened?
What happened?
Wow, congratulations, Mohan. You are in the news again. Show it to him.
Mohan, look at this. Our photo has been published. I had never imagined something like this would happen. Lord Krishna has performed a miracle. He made me famous in one day. Look at this. Today I feel I have done something big in life. Have a look, it's here
Keep
only.
quiet, Radha.
What happened, Mohan? Didn't you like the photo? You look nice. Look at it.
You saw the photo in the newspaper. Didn't you read what's written about it? I will read it for you. It says that Mohan Trivedi, who got engaged the last month, is having an affair with another girl.
Who is this other girl? Me? An affair with me? Lord Krishna, what nonsense have they published? That's not right.
What they have written is not the question. The question is that why they have written it. What were you both doing there?
Things are going just as I expected. Come on, Damini. Let's begin the third part of the plan. Mother, please don't be upset at all. Radha fell to the ground while going to the temple. Mohan was just helping her out. I was right there.
Don't speak out of turn, Damini. Read the news. Does this article mention anywhere that you were present there? Only Radha and Mohan's photo has been published. Damini, I know that you were there. You know that you were there. But the world will only see what has been published in the newspaper. After this, people will say that Mohan Trivedi is already engaged and still he was seen with another girl.
But that's a lie, Aunt Kadambari. What happened was something else. The media published the wrong report. I think the journalists got it wrong. They misunderstood the situation. I'm sure they have mistaken.
Radha, it's not a mistake. They do it intentionally. That's how some journalists are. When they don't get real news, they publish such things to sell their newspapers.
But sister, only the truth is published in the newspapers. The job of a journalist is to bring the truth to light. Why would they publish a lie? That is against their principles.
Radha, remember, such journalists neither have any principles nor any self-respect. Remember, Radha, they have nothing to do with the truth or lies. All they care about is selling their newspapers, that's it. Similarly, I am only concerned about my family. And that's why I cannot tolerate it when people point their finger at you, Mohan. Radha, you are new to the city. You are still not aware about these things here.
I admit that I am new here, Aunt. But that has got nothing to do with the truth and lies.
Hey girl! Shut up! You have extremely no brains. On top of that, you keep on talking. You can't stop. Hey! Try to open your own brains at once. And try to understand the whole matter. This is not an ordinary news. It is embarrassing. This is like my son-in-law's face has been blackened. The whole family has been disgraced. That includes you also in it. You are not spared. You have been maligned.
All of that depends on Lord Krishna, Aunt Kaveri. All I know is that the darkness of a lie can never win against the light of the truth. And I have learned something new today. That journalists can sell lies as well. They can harm people for their own benefit. I apologize. With folded hands, I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional, but this happened because of me. Please forgive me.
Why are you apologizing? Radha, it's not your fault. In fact, it's the fault of the journalists who can ruin others' lives for their benefit.
Mohan, it's not just about that. The thing is, I tarnished the image of the family which treated me like their own daughter. Daughters are supposed to maintain the family's reputation. And today, the values of this family are being questioned because of me.
The values of our family are not so weak that a false article written in a newspaper will bog us down. Mom, you know everything, right? You know what the truth is, or do you also?
I completely trust you, Mohan. I trust Radha as well. And you know very well how the media defamed us earlier too because of you and the...
Mrs. Kadambari, why did you stop? Have you finished the sentence? It would have been much more fun.
Forget about the past. I don't want people to point their finger at us again because of this incident. I don't want Trivedi family to be in the news for the wrong reasons again. I don't want all of that, Mohan. I am not just your mom, Mohan. I am Kadambari Trivedi as well. Upholding the dignity and honor of the family is not only my duty, but also my responsibility.
Nothing will happen to our dignity and honor, Mom. Mom, we will find out who that journalist is. I will call Shekhar right away. He will find out everything. Yes, Mr. Sharma, tell me. You know how some journalists are. They publish rubbish. They have done the same thing. Please don't pay attention to it. Please just... tell me if there is anything else.
Hello. Greetings, Mr. Mehta. No, Mr. Mehta, there is nothing like that. You know Mohan very well, don't you? No. Even I am trying to find out who did this.
Hello? What? How can you ask me to leave, Mohan? And who are you to comment on my fiance's character? Only a photo has been published and it's just a lie. Yes, I know that girl as well. Her name is Radha and she is our family member. Hang up now.
Damini should have been furious after seeing this photograph. But why is she smiling? Is this scandal a part of a plan?
Is my daughter responsible for this scandal? She has lost her mind completely.
Why are you crying? What had to happen, happened. Crying won't help now. Don't blame yourself for all this. We will deal with it. I will be back. Hello.
Mohan.
Hey, keep quiet. Whenever you see Mohan, and she flutters around him all the time. So this was bound to happen. See, your photo got published, but my daughter has been ruined. You shameless girl.
Oh Lord Krishna, what should I do now? The people here are reacting so negatively to this news. When my grandma reads this in the village, her heart will sink. What will she think about me?
Radha? Your grandma is in hometown. Will she be able to read the English newspaper?
If this news is in the English newspaper, then it must be in the Hindi newspaper too. All the villagers must have read the news by now. They must be saying, Radha used to behave so innocently. She changed after going to the city. My grandma and dad won't be able to tolerate this humiliation, Gungun.
Hey priest, come
priest,
out. Where
come
are
out.
you?
Where
Where
are
are you?
Priest.
Come out.
Please calm down. Please calm down. Tell me what's the matter.
Why are you all creating a ruckus? Did someone's buffalo run away?
I think that your girl has run away. You told us that Radha had gone to Trivedi's house to help organize a wedding.
Yes, so?
Then what is this? It says Radha is having an affair with Mohan Trivedi.
Mom.
Why are you crying, Radha? When you are not at fault.
Gungun, it's not about whether I'm at fault or not. The thing is, my family got embarrassed because of me. My family's reputation has got damaged because of me. Gungun, at times for your family and their love, you have to sacrifice your dreams and aspirations. Understood? One has to let go of one's happiness and individuality for the sake of one's family's happiness. Because the love of one's family is more important than anything. In a family, there can be a difference of opinion but not love. Oh Lord Krishna, please protect my grandma and dad. Make sure they don't read this fake news. Even if they do, please give them the courage to fight it. Lord Krishna.
talk respectfully. She's my granddaughter.
Look at her. We aren't saying anything. We are showing you what's written in the newspaper. That too with a big picture.
Oh, Mr. Priest, you always talk about big things and you teach villagers to do always good things. But you could not teach your daughter good things.
Please hold on. My daughter Radha was never wrong. She's not wrong and she never will be. You see, this news has been published in the newspaper. It is not set in stone. Tell me, does a photo published in a newspaper prove anything? Hey, this can be fake news too.
It can be even true. There is no father can listen bad things about his daughter. There is a big picture printed on a big newspaper. Still you are looking for proof.
There is no point in reasoning with them. They are narrow-minded. That's why they are talking this way. They all are giving too much importance to rumors.
This news has spread across the village. Everyone is speaking ill about your daughter. Your daughter has ruined the whole village's reputation. Soon after leaving the village, she got involved with an unknown man there. She has become shameless. Do you know what is his age? He is twice the age of Radha. He has a daughter too. No wonder. Radha has been missing for a long time.
Mind your tongue.
You couldn't look after your daughter? And you want us to mind our tongues? Her dad is a so-called priest.
And she did something what a virtuous girl should never do.
Who knows? This is what she must have been thought. The three of them could be in this together. We are talking about Trivedis. Maybe these people wanted their money.
Mr. Priest, we are not able to do any kind of rituals by you. Tomorrow you were supposed to come for the reading, right? Let it be all of that. Because from now on, we will not let it happen. Let's go, everyone.
Please don't
There is
say
no
that.
point of standing
Yes,
and talking
staying
to
here
this
any
person.
longer
Let's
will
go.
amount to
Come on,
sinning.
Come on, come
Let's
on.
go.
Excuse me. Wait,
go. We'll not
please,
talk to you.
Let's
please
go
don't
from
go.
here. Yes.
Rameshwar, enough. I've had enough. Your daughter has ruined the family's reputation. I will not tolerate this behavior.
Mohan's photo has been featured with his elite girlfriend. You are cutting his photo as if some national award has been won by him. Have you gone mad? Will you tell me what is going on in your head, huh? What did you get by ruining your fiance's image? Tell me. Are you looking for separating Radha and Mohan? Or do you want both of them to get married with each other happily? Tell me.
I have hatched this plan for Radha's destruction. Just wait and watch. Guru Ma has given me a strong mantra to remove Radha from Mohan's life. Very soon.
What? What has Guru Ma told? Tell me.
Not now, Mom.
What?
With time, you will find out everything.
Grandma, where are you taking me? Let me go.
Where are you taking Radha?
Now what has happened?
Something that I expected. Come on. Let's enjoy the matinee show your daughter has arranged for.
Grandma,
Let Radha go, please.
Grandma?
Please let her stay here.
leave me, Grandma. Where are you taking me? Leave me,
Let Radha
Grandma.
go. Please don't take her along.
Grandma, Grandma.
Grandma, why are you taking Radha forcibly?
Aunt, please stop. Aunt, why are you so angry? Radha is not at fault.
I am to blame, Kadambari. that I believed you and your son and left my granddaughter here. We had no idea what was going on here, but not anymore.
Aunt, listen, please. I understand that you are angry. But why are you punishing Radha for this?
Please don't take Radha away. Let her stay.
Radha will not stay here even for a moment.
Grandma!
No. She can't go. Grandma shouldn't take her away.
Have you gone mad, my dear? You should be happy that you'll get rid of that witch.
Radha
Aunt,
won't
wait,
go anywhere.
Why did she have to speak in between? They could have allowed it to happen.
Grandma, Radha is not at fault. Since she isn't at fault, she shouldn't be punished. What are you doing isn't right.
Things have gone beyond right and wrong, Mohan. Her picture has been published in the newspaper with a man older than her, who has a daughter too. Do you find this right? The society we live in blames only the women in such type of cases. You will get married and lead a good life. But Radha will have to endure people's taunts all her life. Do you know what she's being called? People are calling her your mistress.
Grandma! How can you talk to Mohan like this? He is not at fault. He came to help me. He was wiping mud off my face. Don't question his character, please. And Grandma, you have brought me up. You have instilled values in me. Have I ever done anything to bring shame to you? Tell me. Aunt Kadambari, I know that people are pointing the finger at your family because of me.
Radha.
But you tell me this. I have been with you for 2 months. Did you ever feel I could commit such a sin?
No.
Then why does the news article affect all of you so much? Tell me.
It doesn't affect them. It affects your father and me. Do you know how badly the villagers spoke to us because of that news article?
Let it be, Mom. Radha
Let me finish. Radha should also realize how much her family is suffering. Do you know what the villagers told us? They said we had left you here on purpose so that we could take advantage of this family. So that we could use you to make money.
But Grandma, aren't you sensible? Why do you listen to such people? Such people are narrow-minded, Grandma.
They might be narrow-minded, but they made a grave accusation. We have to live in this very society. We can't live with such a serious accusation.
Will you stop living because of such false accusations? These so-called protectors of society, their biggest weapon is fear. If you get scared today, they will scare you more. Today they are blaming Radha and tomorrow they will blame someone else. Please don't believe such people, thereby proving them right. Please understand, Grandma.
You're absolutely right. Please make her understand. Mohan, I don't know how things work in the city. But society didn't spare Goddess Sita too. She went through the ultimate test. And here, we are talking about my innocent girl. Our society does not spare anyone. So why do you think they will spare us? We are poor people.
Grandma.
Let us live in our simple world. Come on, Radha.
Grandma? No, Grandma.
Quiet.
Damini, you are great. Finally, the witch will leave the house because of you.
No, Mohan. You just stop her.
What are you saying?
Come on.
नैना जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं नैना जो मिल के रात जागते थे नैना सहर में पल के मीचते हैं यूं जुदा हुए कदम जिन्होंने ली थी ये कसम मिलके चलेंगे हरदम अब बांटते हैं ये गम भीगे नैना जो खिड़कियों से झांकते थे नैना घुटन में बंद हो गए हैं
Please, don't let Radha go. Let her stay here.
Someone please stop Radha, otherwise my plan will fail.
For Radha's sake, stop, Grandma. Why do you want to ruin Radha's life, Grandma? Grandma, the elders are supposed to teach their children to live with their heads held high and not to live in fear. Tell me, had Goddess Sita refused to undergo the ultimate test, would you have said the same thing? That society was right and Sita was wrong? We need to teach girls to fight society, not to fear society. You instilled good values in your granddaughter. But tell me one thing. Have you taught her what to do when someone takes advantage of her goodness? Have you taught that? Grandma, if you take her back to the village, her life will be confined to doing the household chores. If she stays here, she will study, she will learn English. She will also learn the ways of the world, and thus she will become independent. You are her grandmother. You should be saying all this. But no, you want to take her back to the darkness. Why?
Mohan.
Never interrupt when your elders are talking. Radha, where are your values?
It's good that you spoke about values, Mohan. I have understood what values you have been taught. I'm also older than you, but still, you have been arguing with me all the time.
Grandma, you...
But it is not your fault. Motherless children often end up like this.
Whether it's a biological mom or a stepmom, every mom is special.
I know it in my heart that we are going to face a lot of difficulties.
By the way, you know, Mom, Grandma's prophecy will come true.
What?
She's absolutely right.
You have kept your priest's daughter at your place in order to entertain your own son, who is a widower.
That hit the bullseye. Radha's marriage.
Lord Krishna doesn't help those who cannot help themselves.
You have not only saved the reputation of your family and the prestige of the family, but you have also done something beneficial for that priest's daughter, Radha.
If you get her married out of the fear of society, it won't be a marriage but a compromise. And I'm telling you, Radha won't make a compromise. She won't get married. That's it.
Mohan, Radha will get married.